ग्रेजुएशन को समझते आए हैं बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी, और जब भी लोगों को कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करना होता है जिससे इमीडिएट काम कर सकते हैं या जॉब कर सकते हैं, तो दिमाग में आता है कि हम कोई शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोग्राम करें. दैट्स व्हाई organizations like Oren International have been doing so well. They have picked up one sector and they have excelled there. I'm very proud that they are now India's #1 in providing beauty and wellness short-term programs. But जब हमने ये देखा कि इन सेक्टर्स में बच्चे शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोग्राम करते हैं प्रोफेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट से, लेकिन बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी करते हैं एक लोकल यूनिवर्सिटी से, they are doing the same thing twice. But when the new national education policy came 2020, हमारी नई शिक्षा नीति जब आई, the core objective of that new national education policy was to integrate the skill activities, skill ecosystem with higher education, so that our higher education, हमारे colleges और universities की पढ़ाई relevant हो सकती है, जैसा मेरे co-founder ने अभी बताया, industry के relevant हो सकती है, jobs के relevant हो सकती है. आज हमारा सबसे बड़ा कंप्लेन यही है कि हमारे बच्चे कॉलेजेस एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज में जाते हैं बट दे डोंट गेट जॉब्स, दे आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयबल, दे आर नॉट एबल टू फेस इंटरव्यूज. वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम? द प्रॉब्लम इज विद द करिकुलम, द प्रॉब्लम इज विद मिसअलाइनमेंट विद व्हाट जॉब्स डिमांड. क्या हुनर आना चाहिए आपको काम करने के लिए, पैसे कमाने के लिए, और क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है, इसमें डिस्कनेक्ट है. इसको समझते हुए नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी की नींव रखी गई. एंड द बिगेस्ट mandate of the new national education policy is to make education relevant, more skill oriented and more industry aligned. And I am very proud that in the same times Medhavi Foundation, which is a 12-year-old organization, got the approvals to start a skills university, got the national approval from UGC, got the awarding body status with NCVET, National Council of Vocational Education Training, which is a skills regulator. हम UGC को university regulator की तरह देखते हैं. NCVT is a skills regulator in our government of India. And there are very few universities in India which has a power to award skill certifications under government of India in any skill programs. So with this authority, with this power, we started to work with, we started doing collaborations where we can understand where jobs are, what industry demands, and launch skill-based degree and diploma programs. So this initiative is in similar lines, where beauty wellness sector, where if you go in the market, if students search today for courses in beauty wellness sector, there are very few universities which are offering very good quality courses in the beauty wellness sector. Bachelors or BScs or BVoc in beauty or makeup or cosmetology or hairdressing, there are very limited courses. And why can't our women in the community, in the tier 2, tier 3 towns who want to make their career in beauty wellness sector, why can't we give them opportunity to progress in their career? आज हमारी सोसाइटी जब तक डिग्री नहीं होती हाथ में, उसको पढ़ा लिखा नहीं मानते. That's our Indian mindset, and there's nothing wrong in that. If a student who is a school pass out from class 10th or 12th wants to pursue a career in beauty, makeup, hair design, hair makeup, why can't they actually pursue a course from a university which is related to what they want to do? So ये पूरी initiative उस line की तरफ है, where we are launching very specific degree programs, diploma programs, certification programs, और ये सारे एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के थ्रू रिकॉग्नाइज होंगे.